Okay, I'm gonna make a quick video on this. This was a design someone was having trouble with in the Inkscape group, which they already found a workaround, but they wanted me to make a video anyway. And I did discover something interesting with this design, playing with it, so it's worth mentioning that as well. Anyway, the problem they were having is when they tried to union this red circle with bars to the clock face. If I go here, path, union, they're losing some of the details. So I'm going to hit Control Z and go back. I'm also going to duplicate, Control D, this design, and I'm going to pull it over to the side just for something I want to show you after I fix this. Anyway, so I have the design here, and when you try to union it, you lose details. The easiest way I've found to fix this is just select the clock design and go path, break apart, to break the path apart. Then while you hold shift, click on the outermost edge here, and that will unselect the main outside contour. Now you can just do path, union, and then page that all the way to the top. So while it's still selected, use this raise selection to the top. That will pull it to the top. Now I can change the color so you can see what's going on, and there's all the inner parts of the clock. Now if I hold shift, select the outside contour, now I can do a path difference, and now when I select both of these, I can do a path union, and the problem is gone. So that's how you fix that. Just break apart that main design. While you're holding shift, click the outside contour to unselect it, union all the inner bits, then page them up and difference them from the main design there. And now that fixes the problem. Here was what I found interesting, and I've never noticed this before. Maybe it's common, but I've just never realized it until I pulled this design in and I tried to replicate the problem that they were having. Well, if I select the inner part and the outer part and do the path union, the details disappear like I mentioned before. Now I'm going to hit Control Z. Now what I found interesting is if I use my selection tool and just drag a box around these two and now hit path union, the problem doesn't happen. Why that is, I don't know, and it's probably best to go ahead and fix the design, because like on this one, if I hit Control Z a few times to go back, on this one, after fixing it, I can select this, then select this, hit path, union, it combines it. I go back, I can select everything at the same time with the selection tool, path, union, and it works fine either way. Before fixing it, which is when I duplicated this, if I select this, then select this, path, union, you lose detail. If I hit Control Z, go back, if I drag a selection box around both of them, hit path, union, then it works fine. Why that is, I have no idea. And like I say, you're probably better off to break it apart and fix the design like I did on this one. But I figured it was worth mentioning. For some reason, if you select the pieces individually, one at a time, the details disappear. If you select them all with the selection box, the details don't disappear. Can't explain to you why that happens, but I just thought that was interesting. Anyway, I hope that helps some people out. Thanks for watching.